Hi guys! I'm back today because I have my Beautylish Lucky Bag box to unbox for you guys. So excited, I've been really waiting for this to come. It took quite a long time this year. So this costs $75 US and then you pay a little bit shipping. I will include all the prices and stuff at the end, like where we compare total value and total cost. I just had my stitches out today. Pretty exciting. So I can use my left arm a little more, but still not for heavy things. Oh, we have the box. This paper is quite cute. It feels full, but I assume that's just wrapping paper. We have a little tag that we don't care about. Let's open together. So the concept of these bag box things is that you get makeup and beauty products that you don't pick, they pick out, and you pay $75, but you're meant to get stuff that is worth much more than $75. Paper. Ooh. I think this is everything. Is there more? I'm not sure if there's more in here. We'll just start with this little package first. I have really high hopes. I hope it's good. Please be good. Please be good. If you're not good, I'm gonna be really sad. Okay, let's chat. First of all, disappointed that I have this because I already own this, so I'm gonna need to sell this. Excited about this because I really wanted one of these. It's a glitter and glow liquid eyeshadow from Stila and it's in the shade Smoldering Satin. Oh, it looks so pretty. It's really pretty. It's like a taupey, cool tone bronze. I've been really wanting to try out these. So keen to try that out. I also have a Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector, which I've seen a lot of. I've never tried it. This looks quite nice. Let's just have a little swatch. I'll give that a go. It's quite a tame colour. Okay, we have a Goss brush, which I've seen a lot of other people have been getting in their boxes, and I'm pretty happy with it. I assume this is for eyeshadow. It looks super soft. The qualities of these brushes are apparently good. This is the number 16 Goss brush. Yeah. Maybe it's a bit big for the eye. It'd be really good for highlighter. Speaking of highlighter, I also got the Jouer Skinny Dip Powder Highlight. Not super excited about this because it's a really hard brand to get in Australia, so I'm less keen to feature this brand in tutorials and that kind of stuff. But I mean, maybe if it's really good, it's nice I've been able to try it because I would never buy Jouer personally. So I have the shade Skinny Dip. It looks pretty. Oh yes! Shall we swatch? Let's use the Goss. Ooh. I love how this looks on my skin tone. Can you see it? Can you see it? I really like how that looks on my skin tone. This is a great highlighting brush. Ooh, excited about those things. Okay. And we have Natasha Denona. I got one of her eye palettes in this box last year, so hopefully it's not the same one, otherwise that is gonna be real awkward. I think this is, does it tell me? It's in palette number 4. Oh, I can't remember if I have this one. No, I don't think I do. Wow, this one looks really nice. Got like a white with a bit of a goldy highlight, a bronze, maroon, dark maroon, and a more champagne-y color. Really nice. Let's have a swatch party. Yeah, the shades are really, really pretty. Definitely happy with that one. There is an awful lot of packaging in this box, so be warned. Yes, that's everything I got. I will add it up and leave the values here. Hopefully it's pretty good value. I think it is. The only thing I'm not happy with is the Sanskrit saponins. I don't know what this is. I think it's like a cleanser. I don't know what this is. I have it though. So I'll have to sell that. But everything else I'm pretty happy with. Quite happy to add another Natasha Denona palette into my life. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!